Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes out of paper. First, gather your supplies. You will need various types of paper, sharp scissors, and a reliable adhesive like craft glue or a glue stick. Selecting colorful or patterned paper will make your creations truly stand out. Having a circular template, perhaps a small cup or a cookie cutter, can help ensure all your cupcake bases are uniform in size, making the crafting process much smoother. Now let's form the base of your cupcake. Take your paper and carefully fold it into a circular shape, using your template if you have one. Next, create small, even pleats around the entire circumference of the circle. These pleats will mimic the crinkled look of a real cupcake liner. Once you are happy with the pleats, apply a tiny dab of glue to the inside of each fold to hold them securely in place, ensuring your base maintains its shape. With your base ready, it's time to add the delicious-looking frosting. Choose a different color or texture of paper for this part. Cut out a wavy or swirled shape that will sit on top of your base, giving the illusion of soft, piped frosting. You can experiment with different designs to create unique looks. Once you have your desired frosting shape, apply a small amount of glue to the bottom edge and carefully attach it to the top of your paper cupcake base. To truly bring your paper cupcakes to life, consider adding some final touches. A sprinkle of glitter, tiny beads, or even a small paper cherry can elevate their appearance. Once your creations are complete, arrange them on a decorative plate or in a small box for a charming display. They make wonderful decorations or thoughtful handmade gifts. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.